Hello students. So now we will see the second stage of reproduction, that is development of zygote. So we have seen that in the first stage fertilization used to occur. So the result of fertilization, we got a zygote. After fertilization a zygote is formed, isn't it? And this zygote is a single cell. So we all began our life from a single cell. This zygote will then develop into embryo, which will be multicellular in case of human. So let us see here. In human, once the zygote is formed, it undergoes a repetitive cell division, resulting in increasing number of cells. So in human, the zygote will undergo repetitive cell division, that is, it will undergo many cell division, and this result in increasing number of cells, and this increasing number of cell will form a ball of cell. It will form a ball of cell, that is, it contains many cell, and in this cell, after this ball of cell, it will start forming groups, and this group, it undergoes specific modification and it will start developing into various body tissues and organs, and such a developing structure is called as embryo. So this will be called as a embryo. So since our embryo is made up of large number of cells, so it is a multicellular. This embryo is then, it gets implanted, that is, it is fixed to the wall of uterine, where it will undergo further development. I'll show you in the diagram. This is the fallopian tube, isn't it? We have studied this, and this is the uterus. So the fertilization, it takes place in the fallopian tube of female reproductive system. So our fertilization occurs here. Fertilization will occur here. Can you see? And we got a zygote. We also call it as fertilized egg. The zygote is also called as fertilized egg. Now this zygote, it will undergo various repetitive cell division, resulting in a mass of cell that we called a ball of cell. So this zygote will undergo various cell division. So once we got a structure of ball of cells, that is many cells that are present inside this cell, it start forming groups, and this group will then undergo specific modification, and they start developing into various tissues and organs, and such developing structure we have termed it as embryo. And this embryo is then embedded, or it is then implanted, or you can say it is fixed to the wall of the uterine. So this was our uterine. The embryo, it gets fixed to the wall of the uterus, where it will then undergo further development. So remember students, fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube, and the development of the embryo, it occurs in the uterus. So our embryo gets implanted in the uterus, and with time the embryo, it develops various body parts such as hand, legs, head, eyes, ears, etc. So during development, a stage reaches where we can identify all body parts of embryo. This stage is called the fetus. So once the development of fetus is complete, the mother gives birth to the baby. So can you see here? The body of the fetus is differentiating. It is forming hand, legs, eyes, ears, nose, and then once all the development is completed, the mother will give rise to the baby. So in fetus we can identify all body parts of the embryo. You can see here the development stage. From zygote we got the embryo. The embryo develops to form fetus, and the fetus, once it gets fully developed, it will come out as a baby.